Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect the Printify plugin or tool for your Shopify store. So this way you guys are able to integrate print-on-demand features as well as their services over to your store. And the idea here is it's going to integrate its interface and dashboard over to your Shopify store. So whenever someone visits your store, they have the option to fully customize a t-shirt just as they would on printify.com. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you guys need to do is once you're logged in as an administrator over at your Shopify account, so admin.shopify.com, and you're at the dashboard, the idea here is we need to get access to the Shopify App Store. So there are a couple ways to do that, and the easiest way really is to click on Add Apps, this button right here, and click on Shopify App Store. So this is going to redirect you to the store where Shopify will pull up all of the compatible apps and tools that you can integrate to Shopify. And right away, you'll see that there's a plugin here that says Printify. So you could, if you guys don't see this right away, you could simply click on the search bar here, type down Printify like so, hit enter, and should pull up any results that pertain to the app or plugin that you're looking for. So in this case, it's Printify, and it's for this first one right here. So we're going to click on it like so, and it's going to redirect us to their store page right here. So there are two versions of this, the premium one and the free one. And it goes without saying that the premium one will come with more features and all of the fundamental bells and whistles that you will need with your Shopify store for Printify. Or the reverse actually, Printify for Shopify. And the free one will basically give you the bare bones features, but it will be lacking in terms of full functionality as well as storage. So in this case, let's do free to install. Since we're just doing video, click on it, and we're basically going to let Shopify work its magic here to integrate with Printify. So here we are, Printify is loading. We're going to click on install like so. And what's happening now is both platforms are integrating into each other. So we're going to wait for this to load. Here we are, and from here, you guys would want to log in to your Printify account as an administrator. And when you do, be sure to click the CAPTCHA, so just to make sure that you're not a bot. And what's going to happen is you guys can fully use the features over at Printify to Shopify. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.